Hello, let me quickly show how our application is working and take you through all the functionality of Google Drive APIs and how it's being used in our application. So first of all, we, a company startup, is Lucid, and we are building the automation tool which is helping to ease up your life in various activities, and one of them is basically taking your meetings transcripts and automating them into the tasks for development. For example, sending the task into the Jira, also Microsoft Azure DevOps, and thousands of any other tools. So let's focus on the actual implementation. So let's go into meeting history. As you can see, we're using Microsoft Teams as our primary client-facing platform, and we built the app for Microsoft Teams, and it's called the same way as Lucid. So in the meetings history, you can import meetings from different platforms, and Google Drive is one of them. As we all know that Google Meets is actually placing the recordings and the transcripts on the Google Drive uh, specific folder. So we will be focusing on that. So as you can see in my meetings list, I do have already imported a bunch of meetings. So first two is from our own native platform. Below there is a couple of Google Drive meetings imported from Google Drive, as well Zoom platform, etc. So how does it work? So the user which is willing to automate the transcripts of a previous had meetings can click on the button Import Google Drive Transcripts. So a window, the authorization or auth process is initiated. So I will try to expand a window to show the client ID. So the client ID is on the top. The redirect URI is the one which we presented. So at the OAuth first step, you need to choose the account. I do have two of them. So let's focus on my own. I'm clicking the user as we are currently trying to pass the certification and submission process. So far, we don't have the smooth process, so I need to click and confirm. Next step, we are using Google Drive API, so we need consent to that usage, and I'm doing that. I will switch to English for a better understanding what is on the screen. So yet again, we on the screen giving an access, and as you can see, Google Drive store transcripts import started. So what we are doing, actually, behind the scenes, we are currently checking for transcripts, and if there is any, we importing them and starting the automated process to extract the data through machine learning and AI to convert those into the tasks. So how does it look for a user? Then the meetings will be imported. The user will get a notification that this meeting is important and you can start work with that. So I do have a bunch of important meetings already. So as you can see, first of all, the transcript is presented. So you can see the transcript. You can click on any of the transcript items selected. And if you're happy with your selection, you can start automation process like add this task to the Jira, add this task to the Planner, add this task to Azure DevOps or any others which is connected and configured in your application settings. Additionally, there is the machine learning recommendations which can be basically taken and converted into the tasks. So that's a very quick overview how it works and what we are doing and how it goes through all the steps in authorization, import, and transcript. And if you do have any additional technical questions, how it was implemented, how it works behind the scene, don't hesitate and ping me directly. I will try to answer it. Thanks a lot.